channel. So for today's video, we are learning a TikTok dance. So before we get into it, if you guys happen to like today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so to start this dance off, you can have your feet together, or you can have your feet slightly apart like mine. Arms are going to be down by our sides, and so for our face, we are just going to leave it blank. We're not going to be making any expressions. For the whole dance, we're just going to leave the face relaxed and no emotion. So, arms are down. We're here, standing like a soldier. The counts are, and 1 and 2. Now from here, we are going to cross our arms on, and 3, hold 4. So again, and 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. One more time. And 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. From here, you're going to move your head to one side, and you're going to do it twice. 5, 6, hold 7, 8. So let's do that whole count of 8 again. We're here, and 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. One more time, then we'll add on. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Next part. Okay, you know how sometimes when somebody's talking, you'll make this with your hand? That's what we're going to do. So you're going to go 1, 2. So again, arms are crossed. 1, 2. Now from here, you're going to move your head to the side and then bring it back to center. So cross the arms. From the new part, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you do that, you're going to move your hands when you move your head. So try it with me. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part, we're going to move to one side, and you're going to go, like you're going to kind of do like a little bit of a bounce. 5, 6. And as you do that, you're going to have one hand, and it's going to rub your tummy. You're going to go 5, 6, hold 7, 8. So from the new part, arms are crossed. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's not a big movement that we're doing. This is kind of like a small little hip pulse. 5, 6, hold 7, 8. So nothing big, just small. 5, 6, hold 7, 8. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole thing from the top. Arms are down, ready, and 1 and 2 and 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. Okay, good work. Next part, we are going to bring our feet back to center. And as you do that, you're going to bring one hand up by your ear, and then the other hand up by your ear. It's almost like you're covering your ears, but you're not actually putting your hands on your ears. Just looks like we are. So we just went from here, hold 7, 8, 1, 2. So those feet come back to center as we bring one hand up, up. So again, ready, and 1, 2. Next part, we are again going to tilt our head, 3, back to center, 4. So we just did 1, 2, tilt the head, back to center. Again, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to put our weight on the other side. You're going to do another little hip pulse to the other side, and you're going to have a hand on the hip, and then the other hand's going to be in a fist, and you're going to kind of like do like a little fist pump. So we're going to go, what are the counts? 5, 6, hold 7, 8. So taking it from the new part, we're here, we hold 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. So again, nice and small, not a crazy big movement, just small. 5, 6, hold 7, 8. So again, one hand's on the hip, other hand's in a fist, and we just push it up and do a little hip pulse. Let's take the whole thing from the top, starting here. Ready, and 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there's only a little bit left to add on. So we're here, we hold for 7, 8, we are going to swing our hips back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we push those hips back, bring it back to center, push it back, bring it back to center. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you do that, you're going to snap, snap. And if you can't snap, just fake it till you make it and just pretend. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're here on 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so next part, if you have a partner or you're doing the dance with somebody, this is where the partner can come into play. So one of you can decide who wants to get pushed. This is going to be a fake push. You're not actually going to push them to actually hurt them, of course. But you're going to push them, and you're going to push on 5, 6, and then freestyle however you want for 7, 8, and for the rest of the dance. So you push 5, 6, and then freestyle 7, 8. Now, if you're by yourself, you can just do a fake push, pretend you're pushing somebody, 5, 6, and then freestyle however you like, 7, 8. Or you don't have to do the push. You can come up with your own little variation on how you want to do it if you're by yourself, and that's totally up to you. So if you have a partner, you're going to do the push, and if you don't have a partner, you can also do the push, or you can do something totally different. So taking it from here, we hold for 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole TikTok dance. So what we're going to do is we're going to run it a couple times, taking it from the very top. Arms are down, face, it has no emotion. Here we go. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, one more time. Last time. Here we go. Starting from the top. Ready, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's new TikTok dance. Now, if you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys liked today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!